Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
375 degrees Fahrenheit. Original beef fajitas. Prepare charcoal or gas grill for cooking. 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the fajita meat on both sides with the fajita seasoning. Grill the fajitas for 6 to 8 minutes on each side or until cooked to the desired degree of doneness. Remove from grill, place on a clean tray and cover with foil.
Take our lead.
Step 1. Start by preheating the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and placing in it an empty pan or skillet, large enough to fit all your meat cut. Step 2. After the oven has reached the recommended temperature, remove the empty pan and spray it lightly with olive oil. 3 March 2020.
Take our lead.
Correctly. When you are using a digital thermometer to check for doneness, insert the meat thermometer into the thickest part of the meat. If you're cooking meat on the bone, make sure the thermometer isn't touching bone. It's a conductor of heat and could give you a false reading. 1 June 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.